Chainsaw unboxing. This should be an interesting one. Well, something resembling maybe parts of a chainsaw at least. We'll reveal what this is in a minute, once we get all the pieces out. Get closer. Broken handguard. Let's see here. Okay, save the best for last. There it is. Sachs Delmar KMS4 Rotary. Missing a lot of parts, but we're gonna see what we can make out of it. Ignition coil's cracked, we knew that. Hoping maybe it still works. Unfortunately, we're missing pieces and parts to even mount it on the saw. Supposed to be a bracket there. Oil pump's missing. No air filter. No clutch cover, we knew that. The easiest way to turn it over It does turn over. Some resistance, but muffler's been cobble jobbed together a couple times from the looks of it. Yeah. Needless to say, it's quite the project, but these aren't real common saws, so hopefully get it cleaned up and running with a little bit of help from the internet. Yeah, that's all bent up and cracked there. Well, let's see what we can do with it, I guess. Kind of been one I've been looking for a while. As you can guess, this one came at a bit of a discount to some of the others, but obvious reasons why. So, all right, let's see what we can do with it.